What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? So guess what? I'm back and I'm better than ever. Okay, so today I'm coming to you because I am about to do a hair tutorial. I did a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, do it now. Down below you'll see what my username is, whatever they call that stuff. Anyways, this product right here, I don't know if you can see it, is actually on my head now. Alright y'all, so I'm back on freshly washed hair. This is the next day and I just rinsed out the repair mask by Eden Works.
So, I also clipped my ends. And it feels so much softer.
So today we are going to be using Pomegranate and Honey Mielle Organics Curl Smoothie, as well as the Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. I'm going to use this pure sweet almond oil. So let's get right into how I'm going to achieve my finger coils with these products. The section that you're doing. The key is to twist, coil, or whatever you're doing to your hair, you have to go in the direction that you want your hair to fall. enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you do, and check out also my latest videos, okay? Thank you so much for the love, guys. See ya.